In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A25, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access sounds and vibration. Then click on sound on the left at the top. And thanks to this switcher next to vibrate while ringing, enable or disable haptic feedback for incoming calls. By clicking on vibrate at the top in the middle, you can mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you finished, scroll down. Now click on call vibration. Apply the best vibration pattern for your incoming calls. Or tap on silent at the top. Then go back, click on notification vibration and do exactly the same but for your notifications. Then click on vibration intensity and manage this slider to adjust intensity of vibration for system options. Click on system vibration, operate this slider from here. But also click on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!